In today's video, I will walk you through how to make text vertical in Google Docs. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open docs.google.com in your browser and sign in with your Google account. This is where Google Docs is accessed, and you can either open an existing document or start a new blank one depending on what you need. Once your document is open, go to the top menu, click Insert, hover over Drawing, and choose New. This opens the Drawing tool where you can create and edit a text box. Click the text box icon, then click and drag on the canvas to create your box. Type in the text you want, and if needed, adjust the font, size, or color using the available options. To make the text vertical, rotate the text box by dragging its edges until the text stands upright in the direction you want. When you're finished, click Save and Close. The vertical text box will be placed directly into your document. You can click it any time to move or resize it to better fit your layout. And that's how you make text vertical in Google Docs. Thank you for watching.